Back at the farm. So as promised, we hired a tractor that is doing the cultivation preparation of the land. So this is it. So it's about 60 meters times the length is 190 something. So yeah, it's plus 10,000 square meters, more than 1 hectare. I've already bought the maize and then the fertilizer, the one you put initially when you are planting it. Yeah, so every process, so that you can see the tractor guy will come back, want to record everything as he's doing it. So yeah, this is the length of the portion guys here. I'm very excited with this. Yeah, so I'm walking to where the tractor is. So this is it, guys. We are pushing. So well, guys, what they said was we are not too late in terms of planting the maize. So we bought something sort of which matures in 120 to 140 days, which is not bad. So yeah, the first time we are planting here. This was veggie land that we got. So this is the previous guy. So I'll continue recording. So that the tractor coming back. Yeah, nowadays I'm trying to keep these videos as short as possible because the attention span of people is low these days. They want to take a lot of time. People just want to quick update and show people that it is possible. Our journey here. This is our first time farming. So this will feed into our projects really that we are trying to do. So the maize, if it grows well, will feed into the chicken business if we don't sell them as green maize. That's the plan. So basically, plan A and plan B. Yeah. So the guy is coming back with the tractor. He's preparing the land. They are not cheap, these guys. But you do what you have to do. The next time when you're farming, we're no longer going to use a tractor. We're going to use the handheld one. It's the diesel one, handheld one. Yeah. That will be the plan. But good progress. We do what you promised you guys that we were going to do. So that's a good thing. We're pushing and pushing and pushing. The guy is coming with the tractor.